Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC U0100 indicates that the body control module, BCM, has lost communication with the engine control module, ECM, or powertrain control module, PCM, in a Honda Accord model from 2023 and onwards. The BCM is the electronic unit responsible for controlling various electronic systems in the vehicle, including lighting, windows, and locks. The ECM PCM is critical for managing engine and transmission functions, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. A loss of communication can stem from several issues, ranging from wiring problems to module failures. Understanding this DTC is essential for proper diagnosis and repair, as it can impact multiple vehicle functions. This guide will walk you through the steps needed to accurately diagnose and resolve the U0100 code. The U0100 error code signifies that the body control module, BCM, has lost communication with the engine control module, ECM, or the powertrain control module, PCM. The BCM is integral to the vehicle's functionality, managing various electronic systems, while the ECM/PCM is responsible for controlling the engine and transmission operation. The modules are typically located within the vehicle's dashboard or engine compartment, facilitating interaction with other electronic systems via the controller area network, CAN. Communication between these modules occurs through data signals transmitted over the CAN bus. A malfunction in the data transmission can lead to the BCM concluding there's an abnormality, prompting it to store the U0100 code. Ensuring both modules can effectively communicate is pivotal for the vehicle's overall performance and reliability. Several factors can contribute to the U0100 DTC being stored. A primary suspect is the power or ground circuit failure of the PCM, which is crucial for its normal operation. If the power supply to the PCM is interrupted or there's a fault in its ground circuit, communication can be disrupted. Another potential cause could be a faulty BCM itself, which may prevent it from properly receiving or sending data. A malfunctioning ECM/PCM may also contribute to this issue, as it directly affects the data flow over the network. Furthermore, wiring issues, such as broken or corroded connections, can hinder the communication path between these modules. Lastly, failures within the CAN bus system can lead to significant communication breakdowns, making it essential to evaluate these areas thoroughly. The symptoms of a U0100 DTC can significantly impact the driving experience. Common indicators include malfunctioning electronic systems, such as windows, locks, and lights not operating as expected. Additionally, drivers may notice warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, signaling potential electrical problems. In some instances, the vehicle may fail to start, indicating that the necessary communication between modules is absent. Unresponsive controls, such as non-functioning window buttons or door locks, can also manifest due to this communication issue. Furthermore, erratic behaviors, such as random electronic malfunctions, can occur, making it vital to troubleshoot this issue promptly to avoid further complications. The first step in troubleshooting the U0100 DTC is to turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This action powers the vehicle's electrical systems and allows for communication between various modules. After switching to the on mode, it's crucial to wait for at least 6 seconds, giving time for the modules to establish communication. During this period, ensure that no additional electrical load is applied, such as headlights or climate control, as this could affect communication robustness. After the wait, monitor the dashboard for any warning lights, which may indicate other underlying issues. Understanding the vehicle's behavior at this stage can provide vital clues as to whether the communication problem persists, aiding in further diagnostics. In the second troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to inspecting the power and ground circuits of the PCM. A failure in these circuits is a common reason for communication issues. Start by testing for continuity in the wiring to ensure that electrical signals can travel effectively through the circuit. This involves using a multimeter to check for any breaks or discrepancies in the connections. Examine the connectors for any signs of damage or corrosion, as these can impede the necessary communication signals. If the connectors are corroded or damaged, they may need cleaning or replacing to establish a proper connection. Ensuring that all connections are secure and free of debris is essential in restoring functionality to the system. After completing the necessary repairs, it's crucial to verify that the solutions have effectively resolved the U0100 DTC issue. Start by clearing any diagnostic trouble codes stored in the system. This process resets the vehicle's computer and allows for a fresh evaluation of the module's communication. Following this, perform a test drive to observe the vehicle's performance under real-world conditions. Monitor the electronic systems during the drive, checking for any warning lights or unresponsive controls. It's also wise to perform additional diagnostic scans after the drive to ensure that the DTC does not reappear. Confirming the stability of all electronic systems is paramount, as this indicates that the communication error has been resolved, leading to a reliable driving experience. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in avoiding future occurrences of the U0100 DTC. Regular inspections of the wiring harness and connectors can prevent potential communication issues before they arise. Cleaning connectors periodically helps avoid corrosion buildup, which can disrupt communication signals. Checking for software updates for the BCM and ECM PCM during routine maintenance can also enhance performance and compatibility. Maintaining the battery condition is vital, as low voltage can impact the power supply to the PCM and BCM. Finally, ensuring that all ground connections are secure helps maintain a consistent flow of electricity, mitigating the risk of communication failures over time. In summary, the U0100 code highlights communication issues between the body control module, BCM, and the engine control module, ECM/powertrain control module, PCM. Addressing this issue involves a thorough inspection of power and ground circuits, as failures in these areas are often culprits. Monitoring symptoms closely allows for more targeted troubleshooting, which can lead to quicker resolutions. Performing comprehensive diagnostics is essential to identifying the exact cause of the loss of communication. Lastly, emphasizing preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of future occurrences, ensuring a safe and reliable driving experience for Honda Accord owners. Being proactive about inspections and maintenance can save time and resources in the long run. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.